It's already, yeah.
Don't cock it again, I'll break
my-
it. Okay,
my
he's
stomach.
getting shot.
My stomach.
Okay. Ready,
Face no.
set, go.
How bad does it hurt?
It's not bad. It's actually not bad. Not even joking.
Okay, here comes Bryson.
You in the back? Stomach?
No, back.
Wait, did you already cock this?
Hold on. No, hold on. Yeah, I was already cocked. Oh, you can see that. Okay, let's see the wound.
Sunburnt.
Oh, jeez. Okay, show me your
Let's see
back.
the back.
Where?
Oh, right there.
Oh, yeah, right there.
I hit you right in the spine.
Damn
I'm
it.
sorry.
Okay, now you guys have to do it point blank.
Is it already loaded?
Cocked. Oh, one of the bullets fell out because he cocked it.
Sunburn.
No, let me see the gun. If that's down, it's cocked.
Yes, that's
I'm gonna pause.
God.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes. This is the gun, you guys.
That bounced off.
Oh, you got me in my freaking.
You good? Dude, isn't the back more right there? The back is way more shit.
Here, let's touch it.
Oh, the shit.
What do you have to say to yourself? Oh, you're gonna shoot him in the face. That'd be funny. Make it real painful. Bryson's getting shot in the
I don't
stomach.
want to.
Come on, you have to.
Have to what?
He has to get shot because he's the last one.
I mean, seriously, it's only
You shot
fair.
me in the back.
How about my leg?
Okay. Which way? The back. Just
You got this.
go from the
Oh!
back.
No, ready.
Turn-
Why would you point the gun at my balls?
You
That's
ready?
weird.
3,
Oh!
2, 1.
Oh shit!
I found the bullet.
It hit him in the nipple.
No, it didn't.
Oh.
Oh.
Here, let me check your back again.
Damn. I think it's bleeding. No.
No, let me
Bleeding.
let me see. Oh, fuck me! No! Ah, you got me in the butt! Ah! I can't sit down now. I hate